Let's see how to create this clickable presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint, where you can control your slide by clicking on this button. So let's start our today's video. First, create a new file in Microsoft PowerPoint, then import your images to the slide. Then place one image in the center of the slide and then arrange the rest of the images horizontally. Here, except the center image, change other images color to black and white from the picture format tab. Then from the insert tab, create two rectangular shapes same as the size of the image and place them above of the image. We will use this as guidelines. Then create a copy of the first slide and then go to the next slide. Then select all the images and then bring them one step forward. Change the first image color to black and white. Then select the center image and change its color to normal again. And then create a copy of the second slide and then go to the third slide and then keep repeating the process. After you are done, delete the rectangular shapes from all the slides. And then from the transition tab, select morph transition to all slides. Then come back to the first slide and then from the insert tab, take a oval shape. Place this shape on your slide. Change its color to white. Then create a copy of this oval shape and place it below. After that, select these two shapes and copy them and then go to each slides and then paste them there. Then come back to the first slide and from the insert tab, take a text box. Write your text here and customize it. For example, I am writing here richest man in the world. Then take another text box in the below. Here give additional information about your image. For example, here I am writing the name of each person. Then I will change its color to red. After that, select these two text box and copy them and then go to each slides and paste them there. Then make correction in the text based on each slide's image. Then from the insert tab, go to icons and add an arrow icon here. Then place it in the slide. Then from the graphics format tab, change its color. Then make a copy of this icon and place it in the opposite side and then rotate it. Then select the icon from the right side and then right click in the mouse. Then click on hyperlink option. Here you will find this box. Here select paste in this document. Then select next slide. You can see the preview here. After that, click on OK. Then select the left side arrow and then again right click on the mouse and then click on hyperlink. Here select previous slide and then click on OK. So that when you click on this icon, the slide will move to previous slide. And when you will click on right side arrow, it will take you to the next slide. Then select these two icons, copy them and then go to each slides and paste them there. You can see the preview here. Now make a copy of your first slide, then place this slide in the bottom. Then go to this last slide and then select the oval shapes and the text box and then place them outside the slide. Keep in mind you should place them outside and you should not delete them. Then only keep the center image and delete all the other images and then increase its size and place in one corner of the slide. Now go to picture format tab and then expand this menu. Then you will see a menu in the right side. Here select the hexagon icon and then expand the reflection menu. Here adjust the settings to make a reflection. Then from the insert tab, take a rectangular shape as big as the slide. Then from the shape format tab, expand this menu. Here click on the bucket icon and select gradient fill. From here just keep 2 points and change their colors. Then select the rectangular shape, right click on the mouse, then click on send to back. Then from the insert tab, take a text box and then write some extra description and then customize your text. Then go back to the first slide, then click on the center image and then right click on the mouse and then click on hyperlink. Here select the last slide where you have written the description earlier, then click on OK. Then go to the last slide and from the insert tab, go to icons. Here search arrow in the search box. Then select a reverse arrow. Then from the graphics format menu, change its color. Then place this icon in the corner. Now select this icon, right click on the mouse and then click on hyperlink. Here select your first slide so that when you will click on this icon, this will bring you back to the first slide. Then click on OK. Repeat this process for the rest of the images. You can see the final output here. When I am clicking on the arrow, it is switching to next and previous slides. And when I will click on an image, it will go to the last slide and show me more details about the image. And when I click on this icon, it brings me back to the previous slide. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it and thanks for watching this video.